So yung Beautiful po kasi is more of an acoustic na love song. Panggap po is more of an alternative. So yung Panggap po is about a story that I made about someone pretending to be happy. And habang nagpe-pretend siya, he wanted to, I guess, find someone to pretend with. And through their journey of pretending, they actually learn how to be genuinely happy. Na dati nagpapanggap lang silang masaya, ngayon totoo na silang masaya. Ganun. As far as I can remember, nung 2022 ko po siya nasulat. And took only one sleepless night nung sinulat ko yung Panggap. Kasi usually pag nagsusulat ako ng songs, it only takes maybe one sleepless night. Tapos pag nagustuhan ko, tutuloy ko the next morning. Ganun. Nung nasulat ko kasi yung Panggap, actually it was just a practice song. Na parang practice ko lang magsulat ng songs, ng chords, ganun. Pero nung minessage ako nung producer ko to actually record Panggap, medyo unexpected kasi I didn't think na Panggap was good enough. Pero I guess the song itself was pretending that it's not good enough, and in fact, it actually is. The audience, I think everyone does a little pretending from time to time. It's okay to pretend sometimes. Hindi naman po necessarily na nag-pretend ako in a relationship, pero I did my fair share of pretending then. So there's some personal aspects to it, pero not all of it. Yan. So yung Beautiful po kasi is more of an acoustic na love song. Panggap po is more of an alternative na semi-rock song, ganun, na medyo chill pa rin pero may konting angas, ganun. Nung nire-record po yung Panggap, I was much more involved with the music production and the recording, ganun. Kasi may mga themes, may mga parang music sounds and stuff po na ni-request ko po na palitan, ganun. Kaya, pero overall po, it was super fun to work with Algie po, with the recording process.